News highlights of the day. IndiGo expands Kerala-UAE connectivity with direct Kochi to Ras Al Khaimah flights. Confirm TKT launches travel guarantee to provide up to 3x refund on waitlisted train tickets. Marriott International achieves record growth in South Asia with 42 new deals and strong business performance in 2024. Atmosphere Core expands to Europe with Borgo Monchiro Heritage in Italy. Saudi strengthens ties with Indian travel trade through SATE 2025 and mega initiatives in MICE, weddings, and GIT. Air India shifts operations to Haneda Airport and expands codeshare partnership with ANA. Now news in detail.
IndiGo is strengthening its international network by launching a direct flight between Kochi and Ras Al Khaimah, enhancing connectivity between Kerala and the United Arab Emirates.
Confirm TKT, a leading online train ticketing platform, has introduced Travel Guarantee, a feature designed to provide greater security and flexibility for passengers with waitlisted tickets.
Marking a significant milestone in global hospitality, Atmosphere Core is making its European debut with the launch of Borgo Monchiro Heritage by Atmosphere in Piedmont, Italy.
Saudi Arabia is solidifying its position as a premier global travel destination by actively engaging with the Indian travel trade through strategic networking events and participation in SATE 2025.
Marriott International has marked a milestone year in South Asia, securing 42 new deals in 2024 and adding 7,000 rooms to its development pipeline. This expansion has propelled the region's total pipeline to nearly 20,000 rooms by year-end.
You are watching Travel World Online.